Ang ganda, ang ganda!
It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I know it sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting, even when it's all...
How about Love Team JM? Sino gusto mo maka-Love Team?
Kumbaga, ibang achievement na ho yun, yung pagiging leading man. So, kung magkakaroon ho ng opportunity na may dumating ho sa akin gano'n, syempre gagrab ko ho yun. Kumbaga, mas magiging doble lang ho yung saya, yung eagerness ko sa ganong klase ng trabaho kapag si Fiang, yung magiging ka-love team, syempre. At syempre, hindi naman lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat na komportable ako kay Fiang. At kumbaga, kung may trabaho ako with Fiang, mas nangingibabaw yung yung saya at hindi ko na-feel yung pagod dun sa trabaho kapag si Fiang yung kasama. So, ayan, sige.
Love it. Talagang nahanap mo yung meron kayong chemistry. Abangan yan ng ating mga viewers.
Inaabangan ko rin.
At na sana dumating na soon ang big project for JM and Fiang. I love you, Fiang!
And wait lang! Nasigawan yung mga bata sa tabi.
There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day. It'll soon be clear when you find someone who hears you. Find someone who loves the things you say. Oh, it's okay to ask for help. Don't need to...
Si JM. Hi, JM. Picture with that.
Thought it was better to wallow.
Oo, sige, mag-practice tayo. Welcome to Dubai na lang, JM Fiang. Oo, mag-ano tayo. Mag-practice. Welcome to Dubai, JM Fiang. Ganun lang. Ano ba sasabihin? Welcome to Dubai, JM Fiang. Hoy, welcome to Dubai, JM Fiang daw. Okay. Okay? Alikas mo, pag nakita nyo, hiyawan na. Pag malapit na dito, syempre gagaling tayo. Sabi siguro ni Jaya, makala ko sa'yo pag nasa Dubai. Hoy, ate ka lang! Hoy! Hoy, teka! Yang, I love you! I love you pa ako! Ang ganda niya, Yang. Makikita ka rin pa. Ay, bahala na. Please, please, sorry.
Sayang ka lang pagkat di ako sa'yo nahanap.